Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Airtable lead tracker to Softr portal, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Airtable website. Log in to your Airtable account. Locate the base you want to use as your lead tracker. Click on the base to open it. In the top right corner, click on the Share button. Select Get a shareable link. Make sure the link sharing settings allow anyone with the link to view. Copy the generated shareable link. Next, open a new tab in your browser. Go to the Softr website. Log in to your Softr account. Once logged in, navigate to your Softr portal. Click on the Data section in the left sidebar. Choose Connect a data source from the options available. Select Airtable as your data source. Paste the Airtable shareable link you copied earlier. Click on Connect to link your Airtable base to Softr. Wait for the connection to establish. Once connected, select the specific table that contains your lead data. Configure the fields you want to display in your Softr portal. Drag and drop the elements into your portal layout. Customize the appearance and settings of those elements as desired. Save your changes once you are satisfied with the setup. Preview your Softr portal to ensure everything displays correctly. Publish your portal to make it live for users. Navigate back to your Airtable base and update any lead information as needed. Your Softr portal will automatically reflect those updates in real time. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded and integrated your Airtable lead tracker into your Softr portal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.